Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Guys, this reading is for anybody that is watching this video right now. You could be somebody who has Cancer in your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus or Jupiter signs, or you could be somebody who is a cross watcher and you are yet drawn to this video. Okay, so this could resonate to a cross watcher also. So if you're a cross watcher, you can switch the energies and reverse the roles. Okay, so let's see what do we have in store for my Cancer. Cancer, the world. You are enjoying your time, enjoying life, being you. Some of you, I think you could be starting a new chapter, like you are closing a chapter in the past and moving forward to a bright, beautiful future. That is what I see. Let's see what else do we have for my Cancer. I mean, you're planning a trip, you could be traveling, you're going somewhere out. I do see travel. All right, Six of Swords, Hangman. You're running away from somebody, Cancer. Who are you running away? You're trying to ignore somebody. You're trying to literally ignore someone. Like you don't want to take any efforts, or you don't want to put any efforts towards somebody in this connection. Yeah, like oh my god, you're literally ignoring somebody, Cancer. The Hermit and Nine of Wands. Who are you dealing with? Let's see. What does your person think about you? Eight of Pentacles. What is this person thinking about you? Ace of Cups, the Sun. Okay, Cancer, I feel that somebody has done wrong to you, or somebody has given you a tough time off lately, and you are trying to avoid that person and you are trying to run away from that person. It's like you got involved and then you realized, shit, this relationship is just not working, let me move on. So you are in this place where you are trying to sacrifice a relationship. You don't want this person. Okay, you really don't want this person. You are in this place where your focus is career, your own stability, your own work. You are in this place where you're defending yourself, like you don't want anybody, you just want to be single, happy. Okay, you don't know what's coming forward in future, but yet you are in this hermit mode, like you don't want to focus on people around you, you don't want any relationship. Even if this person is there, you're kind of ignoring this person. This person has put you in this place where you're kind of ignoring them. I don't know who you are ignoring. Maybe you were involved with somebody, this person gave you a tough time and you don't want them anymore in your life, Cancer. Okay, so you are in this place where you're defending yourself. Somebody tried to put some blame on you and you are like, no, I didn't do this, I didn't do that. It's like this person did try to put some blame on you, or you are dealing, or you were dealing with somebody who was like a pain. Okay, this person was too much for you, you could not handle this person. Okay, sometimes we come across people, you just don't get along with somebody. So I see that energy where you are just not getting along with this person and you are like, no, I can't be with you anymore, so I think you're trying to be all alone. You want to start a brand new life with a brand new person, and this person, however, is not giving up on you. This person still wants you. They can't do without you. This person is not going anywhere, but I don't see you in a place where you want them. Okay, you just don't want them. You are in a place where you are like to push them, you're like kind of pushing them away. You don't want this person. Okay, so this is how you are trying to run away. This is what you're doing. You're trying to run away. You don't want this person, you're defending. This person is somebody who brings a lot of drama. Okay, when it comes to the daily conversations between you both, you're dealing with somebody who takes a lot of your efforts and energy. Okay, they suck you up completely and you don't want them, you just don't want them. So I think you are trying to close off a cycle and heading towards a new future. You don't want this person anymore, Cancer. This person, however, is not giving up on you. They still want you. See, they are coming back with this offer, Ace of Cups. They're coming back. They're not leaving you for sure. I mean, they're not leaving you. They see you as everything. They want you. They want to marry you. They want to have children, kids. Like, you bring a lot of happiness in their life. So this person will try to still pull you back in this relationship, or they will still work on this, but I don't see you putting efforts here. For some of you, there is somebody else in your life, like you're trying to get close to somebody. This could be a friend. Yeah, this could be a friend. Three of Swords. See, this could be a friend. You're trying to get close to somebody. Just when I said you just don't want this person, Cancer, you're going through a lot of pain right now. Emotional healing. Some of you, you're healing emotionally. It's like you've closed a chapter that was very painful. You have gone through a lot. Okay, so you're being asked to move forward in life. Don't focus on what went wrong. Focus on what's coming up for you. I see a bright future. Okay, you are going to meet somebody soon. This is going to be a beautiful relationship, Cancer. You're going to be very happy. This is what I feel. Okay, somebody just didn't treat you right. Like, you felt caged with this person. You felt that you were caged. This person is somebody who used to put a lot of restrictions. This person is somebody who didn't respect you. I see you focusing on yourself now. You are like being yourself. You want to focus on your own self. You want to do things that gives you happiness. You're focusing on your own career. You want to be independent. You want to have a home of your own. You want to have stability. You want to be independent, and that's your priority. So you are just trying to run away from all this drama that was created by this person in your life. You just don't want them. Okay, I see you being happy now. It's like a burden has been off your shoulder. Okay, this person was a burden on you. I think you're like trying to move away from some things that was weighing you down. So finally you are breaking free from this thing. Okay, and you're moving on. I see you moving on. Yes, you are in pain. Yes, you are hurt. You may have gone through depression, pain. This could be a third party. Like, I do see some of you, maybe this person was involved with somebody else, and I don't know, a third party could be because of third party you may have left this person. I don't know, different for different of you, but I see you focusing on yourself. You're doing things that gives you happiness. Some of you, you are enjoying with your family, friends. You're doing things that makes you happy. Okay, look at this. This is how you are enjoying. Okay, your focus is you. Some of you, you're paying attention to your finances. Okay, maybe you are in a place where you were totally dependent on this person, and now you want stability. It's like you want to build your own career. You want to have your own stability. You don't want to be dependent on anybody. Okay, so this is what you want. So I see you coming from Six of Swords to Sun. Yes, you are having this pain. You're going through this, but I see you very happy, Cancer. I see you very happy right now. Okay, I see you having fun. You are enjoying. You're focusing on your own self, doing things that gives you happiness. Okay, it's like you're being you. You're spending a lot of time with your friends right now, your family, focusing on your parents, children. Okay, maybe you are a single parent. Maybe you have a child. You're focusing on your children, and I think this is giving you happiness. All right, so the only advice that I see and that I have for you is focus on yourself. Do what makes you happy. If somebody didn't treat you right, let them go. If you're not happy in a relationship, just move forward. There's no point in being with a person who doesn't value you. There's no point in being with somebody who brings a lot of drama in this relationship. You don't deserve this, Cancer. So move forward. Do what makes you happy. Life is beautiful. You deserve a beautiful life. So let's see who's coming towards you next. What's coming up for my Cancer next? This person is coming back for sure. They won't give up on you so early. I see them coming back. You have a choice. Oh my god. Right when I said this person is coming back, Six of Cups. They are not leaving you. Ace of Cups, Six of Cups, they're coming back. Oh my god, they are not leaving you, Cancer. For some of you, this is somebody from your past. Like this could be a long lost friend, or somebody you may have dated years ago, and this person is coming back in your life. Now this is somebody that universe is bringing back for you, Cancer. Okay, you may meet somebody, that's because universe wants you to connect with this person. So if this person shows up, be open. Okay, don't just block them, be open. This could be somebody from your past. Now this is somebody new. Yeah. Four of Cups. I don't see you very happy with this person. However, okay, I don't see you accepting this person who you were just dating or you are in relationship with. I don't see you accepting this person so early. I don't see you happy with this person, Cancer. So I think some of you have made up your mind to move on in life. Still you're confused, you are in this hermit mode, so maybe you have to take a decision what to do. Like some of you're confused between should I choose career or should I choose this person. Okay, so you have two choices. Like you may have to sacrifice your career if you want this person. All right, so you're confused. What do you choose? Should you choose your career or should you choose this person? This person who has made you go through a lot in your recent past, like should you choose them or should you choose career? So you are in this place where you are still thinking. Some of you are in the zone what to do next. Okay, however, I see you still are confused, but somehow you have made up your mind to move on in life. Okay, I see you leaving this person. This person may show up, but you may ignore them, you may not pay attention, or you're trying to get rid of this person slowly and slowly. I see that. For the others of you, as I said, there is somebody from your past who may come back in your life. So you are being asked to focus on this person who comes back in your life after many years. All right, this could be an ex of yours or could be a friend, because maybe you both have a chance of having a beautiful future. Okay, so you're being asked to focus on this person. Don't just ignore them. Don't ignore the past person. You can ignore this person who you don't want to be with, but don't ignore the one who comes back in your life after many years. Yeah, Tower. I don't see future with this current person, whoever this is. Alright, so better you move on. Maybe you're dealing with somebody who was very manipulative. This person did try to control you. This person did try to... I see a lot of lies and deceit. Okay, this person kept lying. This person kept hiding things from you. Yeah. Who are you dealing with, Cancer? Lot of lies, lot of deceit. This person is selfish. Let me be honest, you're dealing with somebody who is selfish. Some of you, it's like they want what they want when they want, but they don't really care about what you want, how you want, etc, etc. So you are dealing with somebody who is selfish. So yeah, best is to move on, and I think that is what you are doing. Good. What is... strength. Yeah, some of you are focusing on your own self. Maybe you are recovering, you are healing, you're focusing on your health. Okay, maybe you're not well, you are recovering. That is also something that I see here. Page of Wands is... this is like telling me that you are somehow... there is this pull and push that's happening internally in your heart. You feel like going back to this person, but you don't want to. It's like this person may lure you, this person may say, or they may emotionally manipulate you to go back to them. But I think somehow you will move on. It's like there is this desire of going back to them, but somehow you know that if you go back to them you will get involved in all that drama again, and you don't want them, so you're kind of moving on, you don't want them basically. Okay, but still there is this soft corner, you still have the soft corner towards this person. Some of you have learned a lot in life, and you have realized that you're not going to repeat what you did in the past. Okay, maybe you have been through a lot and you are a complete changed person today, and you don't want to go back to who you were in the past. So you have learned a lot, and you have made up your mind that you're going to start fresh, you're going to do things that makes you happy, you're going to build a beautiful life forward. Okay, and that is what I see here. Look at this, this is what is coming up for you. I see a bad period getting over and a bright new future heading your way. Sun is something that's very beautiful. Okay, here with the world, this is something very beautiful, a beautiful life that you desired. Maybe this is your wish fulfillment, you desired for this life, and that's what's in store for you in the future, Cancer. So don't worry, don't be depressed. Okay, I see you in this place where you are sad, depressed, you don't know what to do, you may be feeling very lonely, you don't have people to talk to, and you may have isolated yourself. No. Okay, just be happy. I think you're trying to come out of your shell, you're trying to make friends, and good, do that. King of Wands is you're focusing on career right now. Okay, maybe focusing on career, your child, your family. Good, whatever you are doing is good. All right, so let's see if I have any message for you, Cancer. Let's see if I have any message for you from here. Let's see if I have any message for my Cancer, and those of you who are watching this video, my cross watchers. Any message for my viewers? Okay, so many cards. Soulmate, oh my god, you are attracting your soulmate. I said somebody from your past is coming back, and this is your soulmate. Trust, finances, you deserve love. Oh my god, this is beautiful. You know what, guys, this is telling me that you are soon going to meet somebody you have a connection with, and this could be a soulmate. You may have spent some lives with this person, one or many, I don't know, different for different of you. You're going to meet your soulmate. You deserve love. See, it's like universe is bringing this person in your life, and you just have to trust. You just have to trust. And finances and career, some of you have lost faith in love. You are like, will I even find love? You know, I've been through a lot, and as I said, you are in no hurry, you are in no mood to get into love so early. Your primary focus is finances and career, and that's what you're focusing on, and this is good. Okay, so that was that, my Cancer. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys take care, be safe, bye.